sink a little bit.
Yeah.
Squeak doesn't. She's the smallest.
Yeah.
And the biggest floats.
Yeah, I know. Fluffosaurus. Well, Fluffosaurus must be full of hot air.
A few moments earlier.
No, Rappy's at work.
Oh.
Yeah, Rappy's at work.
But
wait, who's that? Who's that under the water? Oh, hi. Hi, what's your name?
Rappelina.
Oh, hi, Rappelina. Are you related to Rappy?
Yeah, I'm his wife.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice to meet you. I've never met you before.
Because Rappy never told me you about me.
Oh, okay. Well, welcome.
Um,
This is Squeak.
I've met her before.
You've met Squeak?
No, I've met her and I met her.
Oh, nice. Okay,
We
good.
both met Fluffosaurus.
Yeah, everybody knows Fluffosaurus.
I hope you knew Fluffosaurus before.
Yeah.
Everyone knows Fluffosaurus.
Yep.
I just met her today.
Oh, okay.
It's amazing how I sink a little bit.
Yeah.
Squeak doesn't. She's the smallest.
Yeah.
And the biggest floats.
Yeah, I know. Fluffosaurus. Well, Fluffosaurus must be full of hot air. Boom.
You can feel heavy. They're stuck in her.
Yeah. But I'm hollow on the inside.
I'm not hollow on the inside. What are you making me talk for? Squeak.
So how's
Wait,
Rappelina?
That's Squeak's boyfriend.
Oh, this is Squeak's boyfriend? Yeah.